So imagine every single day you open your phone. Once you open your phone, you're getting a lot of 50, 100,000 naira doing a business model that involves zero capital. Now, this business is not really a scam or a magic or something that's going to come and go, or like a Ponzi scheme where you refer 5, 10 people. No. This business has been a business model that's been around since like the 80s in the US. It's something that most of our family members have done. But before we go straight into it, I want you guys to do a few things for me. I want you guys to like this video. I want you guys to comment drop shipping money. It's very important to help the algorithm and help more people see this video. And make sure you guys are a subscriber, you're part of the Blaze gang, and of course, like you guys to follow on to the end of this video, because I'll be revealing A to Z on how you guys can start this business model and do whatever you like with your money. So let's go. The name of the business model is called mini dropshipping or mini importation, right? I know a lot of people who make money with mini importation. But first of all, what's a dropshipping? Dropshipping, basically, I'm going to read you guys an example from my laptop here. Okay, so dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business doesn't keep the product they sell in stock. Instead, the seller purchases the inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer. Let me explain the big grammar here. So basically, dropshipping is where you don't have the product in your house. For example, this glass is here. If I was a dropshipper, all I would do is I would look for someone who has an expensive, who sells these glasses in a shop, right? And somebody who, on the other angle, needs this. I'm just the middleman, right? What I would literally do is I'll go to this guy who sells the glasses and buy it and add my own price and sell it to the person who needs it, which is typically very simple. Let me go on my laptop and show you guys what this business model looks like. Business doesn't keep its product, it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory. So basically, you're a business, you're a middleman, and I'm going to give you guys a simple business model on how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go to my browser and show you guys an example. Now we're in gg.ng, right? For example, someone wants to buy an iPhone 11. So we go straight to the iPhone 11, we search for iPhone 11, and this one looks good, right? All you want to do is to come out here and chat with this person and tell this person, hey, look, I sell phones, so this is what I do. I sell phones online, and I would like you to give me a cheaper price, so I'll help market your phone, right? For example, as it's 420,000, right? You're going to look for someone who's going to sell for 350,000 and sell it for 400,000, right? That's a 50,000 naira bonus. So if you sell 2 phones in a day, that's about 100,000 naira. Super simple, and it's very, very easy for you to do. Now, going on here, there's a few things you need to get started with, right? You're going to ask yourself, oh, what do I need to get started with this business model? First of all, you're going to need an internet-enabled device. So it's either your phone or your laptop can totally work with this. You need to know a basic knowledge of social media. Super simple, something that you need to know. You need to have a winning product and you need to have a supplier. Now, if you're following to this point, I want you guys to comment dropshipping money in the comment section. Make sure you drop a like and make sure you are a subscriber. It's very, very important. All right, guys, let's go on and show you guys some practical steps, okay? Now, for example, we're going to find something people are selling, right? Basically, now almost everybody's putting on Crocs, right? Almost everybody's putting on Crocs like this. And you want to look for the best looking Crocs that you see in everybody's leg. I've seen this type of Crocs or this type of design, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to, start getting this. So basically, all you have to do is to go to AliExpress or any Chinese sites. Okay, this is when if you have money. But if you don't have money, now everybody's putting on Crocs. You go on here to gg.ng, go look for Crocs. And this is one of the ways to float your business ideas. It's one of the ways for you to make lots of money, right? Because a lot of people feel that, oh, money is not everywhere. Money is blah, blah, blah. Money is everywhere. Oh, money is everywhere. You need to open your mind to the fact that money is everywhere, right? You need to open your fact to the fact that money is everywhere, right? So I want you guys to also leave a comment section, in the comment section, say money is everywhere, because it's true. Money is everywhere. You are not just seeing it, but it's there, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So now, this person is selling Crocs for 15K, right? He's selling these Crocs for 15K. All you need to do is to, okay, he's selling for 15k. You go ahead and go and sell the Crocs for 20,000 naira. You're making 5,000 naira profit. It's super simple, it's easy, and it's doable because you're not the first one to do it. People are doing this thing every day, right? If you go to the market to buy something, you're going to see people who don't really have shop. But all they are going to do is to come to you. They're going to come and tell you, oh, our shop is right there. Why is not their shop? They will carry the product, sell at their own price and give you. So this is not new. This is something that you can do, and people are doing it online. So here's a few places for you to find, suppliers, okay? One of the places to find your suppliers is on Instagram. Right now, we're going to go on Instagram. There are TikTok vendors. Anybody that's selling really is a supplier. Anybody who has the product that you want to sell is your supplier. All you have to do is to go and talk to the person, negotiate the price, tell the person that this is your business now, this is what you sell. You can bring customer to the person and make that happen. So let's go on Instagram and let's go and find a supplier, right? So we're going to go on my computer and we're going to find a supplier, and we're going to come back here and I'm going to explain how you can start selling this product. To find vendors, right? This is one of the easiest ways to find vendors on Instagram. So basically, we are on my Instagram now. All I have to do is to just go to the search here and I type what I'm trying to sell. Okay, we are trying to sell Crocs in this example. So I'm just going to write Crocs vendor, right? And then simply what you just have to do is just go here. You're going to see a vendor, and this person is selling her own Crocs for 6k, 6,000 naira, really, right? So you can go ahead, go to other sites and go and sell this thing for expensive amount of money, right? This person is selling his own Crocs for 6k, and we just come to her anytime we have a sale, and basically I'll just message her. I can just send her a message simply telling her that, hey, look, I want to get Crocs, blah blah blah, and then you send her the message. It's that simple, right? It's that simple. There's money everywhere. All you have to do is to come out and be willing to go and get it. All right, guys. Now you found your supplier. You found your product that you want to sell. Now it's time to sell the product. These are 3 ways you can start selling. Number 1, you could go on WhatsApp. Post your stuff on your status and have your friends and family and people who know you and strangers who you've connected with buy your stuff from your WhatsApp status. Next place to sell your product is on TikTok. Now, almost everybody has TikTok on their phones, and you can literally use TikTok to attract customers to come buy your stuff, right? Post your videos on TikTok, and you can do this, right? So if you guys would like to learn more or you have more questions, the comment section is all yours. You guys should leave comments there, and I reply to each and every comment that you guys would drop on this video. And of course, if you guys would like more from me, we want to join the Blaze Squad again, leave a subscribe, leave hit the notification bell, leave a like, and the other things you guys would do to help boost the algorithm of this video. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers, and I'm trying to make videos every single day for you guys on how to make money online. And it's not so easy to make this video, and I need all the support I can get. And I would love to do this for you guys as much as possible, give you guys free ways to make money online. So see you guys in the next video. For now,